We're doing leg press here. And I see my boy Davey over there getting it. Wednesdays are leg day. Look at those calves right there.
Make them wink, make them wink.
Ooh.
That's
Gluteus maximus on a Billy today. How you feel? Light?
light work.
Leg day's too easy, huh? Where's Luis?
He said he's taking a rain check. Rain check.
At the VA hospital after the gym, came to pick up my refill of gabapentin, but I can't wait as long as they're gonna, I think it's like 30 minutes, but can't wait 30 minutes in the parking lot. So I'm gonna have to have my wife come scoop it up. They got the lawns being mowed, man, grass looking nice. As you get older, I think you just learn to appreciate like little things so much more, like the edges on grass or how it's cut, just little stuff like that. The cleanliness and orderly thing, way of things. Just got to work. See the drip right here, faded university tee. Got the Nike khaki shorts, the cherry 12s, black Nike socks, caffeine and water. Let's get to work. Got done with all these haircuts. I filmed a video over the Psycho Blade today, so I got a lot of clips for that. If you're tuning into this and you don't usually follow my barber content, Psycho Blade is a trimmer blade that can now go on a play trimmer, which is a newest rendition of the trimmers from the Pissed Off Barber. So made a video about how to install that, price point, all that stuff. So hopefully that'll be all pretty soon. My boss, his wife made some muffins. He brought some in. You know, I appreciate the gesture. And I want to smash all these muffins right now because they smell delicious. And some of them got chocolate chips, but I don't know. I might have one. He said that the ones without chocolate chips are sitting at like 80 calories. But, you know, with the chocolate chips, I don't know. But, oh, man. It's a bag of temptation right there. But I appreciate my boss. He's always looking out. His wife had made some, what did she make last time? She baked something, but it was good. Baked goods, homemade baked goods always smack because I feel like they're made with TLC, you know? But I'm gonna go share some with my kids and my wife. I'm sure they'll enjoy it. But done with work. Haven't had anything to eat today, so there's no calories to show y'all. But last night I did have some pork steak meat, boneless, and I had some boneless, skinless chicken thighs. So I'll throw the calories in here somewhere so you can see that as well. But yeah, steadily staying on it. Today is day 23, and we got 7 days left, and that's a wrap. So can't wait for dinner because I'm super hungry right now. But let's go get changed and get to church. Freshly cut grass. Gotta love that smell. What's up, y'all? It's 6:25 in the morning, and we are headed to the gym. I'm gonna get some caffeine and do some cardio and probably some triceps today. Or maybe biceps and shoulders. But let's get to the gym. Just got out the gym. I did bicep and shoulders today. So I did seated dumbbell curls. I did rows with the barbell. And I also did preacher curls. I did curls with the cables. I did overhead shoulder press with the dumbbells. I also did forehead cable pulls. And then I did, what else did I do? I think total I did 6 exercises. Oh, cross body curls. So I'm trying to think. I think that was it. So 4 sets, 8 to 10 reps per set. And I'm tired. Then I did an hour of cardio. Didn't really get to really film anything. For me, it's a little bit difficult to film if I don't have somebody working out with me. So today I didn't work out with the guys, and I didn't work out with my wife. The guys, I got here to the gym at like 6:30, 40, something like that. And then I think it was 6:40 because I left the house at 6:25. And then when I got here, guys weren't here yet. Guys didn't get here till 7. I want to see. I saw David on the treadmill at like 7:20 something. And then the other guys didn't get here till like after 7:35, I think. And then my wife, she slept in today. She didn't get good sleep the night before, so she didn't wake up with me today. So it's just hard to get people to get footage when you don't have somebody to film for you. And I think what are we at? Like almost 2.5 weeks in, I still don't feel comfortable like setting up like a tripod or something like that. But if somebody's filming me and it's interactive, it's not as nerve-wracking. But just to like film yourself is a little bit more difficult in my head, the way I think. But yeah, so I did an hour cardio as well. I'm trying to get this edited as I go along the video. So last night when I went to church, I didn't take my phone, forgot it at the house. So I didn't record any footage at church. After church, we went to my mom's house. My mom cooked adobo, which is a Filipino dish. But I didn't have any rice. I just had the chicken, and she made me 3 eggs. So I had the chicken with the 3 eggs. And after that, we were at home for a little bit. And then my wife, my daughter, and my son had a late night craving, and so did I. So we went to McDonald's, and I got a 10-piece McNuggets, which was, I want to say like 410 calories and 26 grams of carbs. So that was all the carbs I had yesterday. Oh no, I'm lying. I forgot about the muffin. I did break yesterday or earlier. You seen in the vlog from yesterday. My boss's wife had made those banana muffins. I had one, and it was delicious. It was worth it. But overall, I stayed under 1,300 calories. So you know, fumbled the bag a little bit, but we stayed under our calorie limit. And today it's gonna be a better day. Not gonna have any carbs today, or at least under 20 grams of carbs. But yeah, today is not so much of a busy day. I think today I have 6 appointments, so I'm gonna try to get this all like caught up, the vlog, and edit it today as I go. Then I have another video that I recorded yesterday. I recorded a lot of footage for the T-Pop Psycho Blade, so I want to get a lot of that edited today, and then hopefully create some reels at the shop as well. But other than that, you know, that's what we got going on. All the guys, I just said, I just saw them in there as they're like probably mid-workout. They're doing biceps and shoulders today too, I think. So I think that we kind of I try to stay on like kind of the same schedule that they're staying on as well. So that way there's like, you know, like a path to follow in some way. Like Monday for sure is like chest day. Wednesday is for sure leg day. And then in those in-between days is what, you know, I usually figure out on my own. But tonight I have practice for the band. It was supposed to be Tuesday, but they ended up canceling Tuesday because two of the people had gotten sick that are in the band, and then also we had the singer was out of town, so they had to cancel practice and move it to today. So I have practice tonight, so that's what we got going on tonight. It's a lot of information, but let's go home, change, and get to the shop. Look, y'all, we ain't stopping with the daily fit check. We got on some great Nike sweats. We got on the T-Pop tee, as you can see. We got on some Nike Prestos. I don't know if you can see those, but we got on some Nike all black Prestos. And last but not least, we got on the Tampa Bay Ray's hat with the Barber Life pin, Ray's on the side, razor blade, and then the J blends. So that is the fit for the day. Something comfortable, something light. All right, so I told y'all that I have practice after I get off of work. So I gotta go run and put my amp and guitar inside the truck. That way when I get off, I can just head over and to practice, not have to go back, because I'm gonna be cutting it short. My last appointment's at 5:15 and practice is at 6. So yeah, you know how that's gonna go. So let me go pack that up real quick and get back to the shop. My wife's gonna make me breakfast, lunch, brunch, lunch fest. I don't know.
Brunch?
4 eggs. I'm not eating that. No spinach. I don't know what that is. Spinach and herbs? No, thank you. Just some eggs. And then we gotta get the guitar in the car. I don't know why I told y'all I was gonna put the stuff in the truck. That's what my minion's for. So my wife ended up throwing Spam up in the mix. So we have 4 eggs? 4 eggs and 4 ounces of Spam for lunch. I'll put the calorie count somewhere right here so you guys could see it. And that's lunch. And then we get back to work. Just got out of work. Gotta take this stuff to the church. We got practice. Let's go. Just got done with practice, and now we're at my mom's house to go grub. She cooked some food, and my wife made some chicken. So let's eat. What's good? It's time to close out this vlog, guys. We just got back from my parents' house. We had dinner over there. I had 10 ounces of chicken breast tenderloin. I had 6 ounces of burger patty, and I had 2 cups of cooked cucumber. So that was my dinner for the night. My overall calories for the day, I believe, was like 1,460, including the lunch I had, which was the eggs and the Spam. But that is what we're looking like for our calories today. Good day. Had a great day. It was busy. Had a lot of clients. Got to do a lot of editing. Also had our practice, which you guys seen in the vlog. Overall, just a very productive day. Tomorrow we have a outdoor concert at a park. And then on Saturday, we have an outdoor concert outside the church in the parking lot. So we're going to have a busy weekend. Sunday, we have church. And then Sunday, also, I have to cut one of my clients. He's leaving for Mexico on Monday, and he's getting married next Saturday. My family and I are taking a vacation. So we'll be out of town from next Thursday to the Thursday after that. So we'll be in Florida for a week. So I'm looking forward to that. It's a lot of busyness because I know it's the next Thursday is going to creep up on us because I got to, we have this whole weekend's busy. Then we have Monday, but you got to cut my boys. I got to, do last minute errands that I can do on Monday. I got my day off. And then Tuesday and Wednesday, I'll be cutting hair. Wednesday night, we have church. So it's just a jam-packed week before we go. But I like busy. Busy keeps you, moving and going with the flow, going with the punches. But that'll do it for this video, guys. If you like my t-shirt, T-pop or no mob, let me know down in the comment section what y'all think of that. I think it's clean. My mom made me this shirt, so it's really dope what she did. She made a white and black one too. I'll probably rock that maybe tomorrow, Saturday. I don't know. We'll rock it sometime. But yeah, I appreciate everybody for clicking on this vlog. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash the like button, turn on post notifications. I got more videos to come. Like I said, I still have to edit that Psycho Blade video. And then I want to put a tutorial as well, so pretty soon. But for now, we're going to get these vlogs, the 30-day vlog series out the way, and then move on to the next thing. So it's been a doozy. It's been a ride, and I'm here for it. Been consistently been in the gym, been consistently tracking my calorie intake and all that in MyFitnessPal. Been consistently getting cardio in, and you know, it's paying off. And I'm just happy. I'm just happy of, you know, the progress that I have made, you know. Do I wish that more progress was made? I do, because in myself, I don't really see a lot of the progress. Other people will see it. Other people will, you know, comment on it and stuff like that. But me personally, I don't see it. I think you never see it in yourself. You always have to have that outside view, that outside perspective of, you know, the progress that you have in life and anything. Because, you know, we see ourselves every day. So, you know, whether that's emotionally, physically, spiritually, we see ourselves every day. So we can never really see the change that's happening. It takes outside sources to let us know, like, hey, man, you're doing a good job here. You're doing a good job there. And, you know, that's just my little tidbit on that subject. But that'll do it for today. Like I said, hit that subscribe button. Let's get some videos into the algorithm. But other than that, hope you enjoy your night, morning, afternoon, what have you. Until next time, God bless.